In many places, waste is considered to be a problem. It piles up in the streets and smells bad. But what if it could be a solution?
In Djougou, Benin, our team is making this a reality by turning waste into energy.
3 months ago, we traveled to a small village in the north of Benin, Djougou.
We are 4 students from the TU Delft.
Hi, my name is Michelle and I study chemical engineering.
My name is Eva and I study mechanical engineering.
Hi, I'm Anne and I also study mechanical engineering.
Hi, I'm Ilse and I study architecture.
And this is our project, in Djougou, Benin.
In Djougou, people are currently cooking by using wood and charcoal.
This type of fuel is quite common, but has some serious disadvantages. Charcoal is made from trees, contributing to deforestation, and burning it produces smoke that causes serious health risks.
Luckily, there's a safer and cleaner alternative: biogas.
Biogas is a type of energy made from organic waste. In nature, when organic waste breaks down, gas is being released. But we can capture this gas and use it for something more useful. Now organic waste will not be rotting on the streets anymore, but it will create a sustainable energy source. So biogas contributes to a reduction in carbon emissions and deforestation. It promotes circular economy and it minimizes health risks.
Our main goal was to spread biogas knowledge.
To obtain the knowledge ourselves, we dove into literature and visited technical experts. To confirm our knowledge, we used the test and learning card. We decided to build a prototype, and 3 weeks after the construction, it showed signs of gas production.
Mark Gianelli is the founder of Rubin, a biogas company located in Cotonou, the capital of Benin. He took us along several schools where he had implemented biogas into the daily lives of many teachers and students by constructing a biogas reactor, similar to the one we plan to build.
Now we were ready to continue our mission and start our journey together with LTA in Djougou.
LTA is an agricultural school located a couple kilometers from the center of Djougou. Students from many places of Benin come to LTA to follow a great educational program. At the school, they have about 100 hectares of field where they produce crops and they keep cows and chickens. Our project provider and contact LTA is Séverin Assou.
Ok, moi c'est Séverin Assou. Je suis formateur en gestion des entreprises agricoles. Je coordonne également les formations continues au sein du Lycée technique agricole de Djougou.
In collaboration with Séverin, we designed 4 workshops to educate, co-create and challenge the students of LTA while keeping a decolonial approach in mind. This shows the vision and power while making decisions. In our project, we split this power to become partners. This was done through creating a safe space and evaluating every step of the way.
When we came to Djougou, the students had no idea about the concept of biogas.
Avez-vous déjà entendu parler du biogaz?
Non.
Oui, avec vous, lorsqu'on a fait la formation en novembre.
In our first workshop, we introduced biogas and its uses and applications.
This was done to expand their knowledge, and at the end of the workshop, they designed their own reactor on paper. The students got up quickly, and next week we were able to prototype and co-create the final design.
While prototyping, the students had no guidelines, since Séverin suggested that figuring things out on their own is extremely important. They each built a mini reactor and at the end they presented them to the class.
It was really inspiring to see all the different types of designs and approaches they came up with.
To bring all the theory into reality, the students and our team constructed a biogas reactor at LTA. Dit is wel
Moi, maintenant, je sais qu'avec le biogaz, on peut produire du gaz, on peut faire la cuisine avec et de l'engrais.
On utilise beaucoup le charbon ici, beaucoup de charbon, donc ça veut dire on abat les arbres pour fabriquer le charbon. Donc, ce que le biogaz nous apporte, donc ça nous laisse, on va cesser d'abattre les arbres et de faire du biogaz pour trouver le gaz pour pouvoir préparer.
The last workshop was about the marketing aspect of being an entrepreneur. These days, people tend to measure success by money. However, this has caused social and ecological problems, so a new definition of value was created. The business model canvas was filled in by the students, which uses the same definition of value. And after this, the content was used to do an elevator pitch to train their selling skills. The students had 10 minutes to draw a poster that supported this pitch. To ensure long-term impact, it's LTA's goal to influence other schools and farms. Everything necessary to be able to spread the knowledge even more was bundled up in a manual which was received by all the stakeholders.
Nous allons donner même des formations à d'autres apprenants qui n'ont pas suivi. Donc, ces manuels seront utilisés pendant les différents ateliers que l'établissement même va organiser. Donc, si d'autres acteurs sont intéressés, ces manuels pourront être utilisés également pour pouvoir les former là-dessus.
The 4 principles of storytelling in a local community were followed by our group. Consent was always asked before filming and material was approved.
L'équipe qui est venue cette année, 2024-2025, c'est spécialement les remercier pour leur dynamisme et surtout leur capacité d'adaptation sur le terrain. Moi, je l'ai beaucoup apprécié.
We would especially like to thank our stakeholders who helped us achieve our goal.